In this video, I will show you how to hide product categories on shop page in WooCommerce. Let's get started. In order to do that, just head over first to your products right here, and once you hover to that, you can see in here the option for categories. So click on these categories right here. Once you have done that, you should be able to see this. So you can create categories using this particular page. You can also head over and then edit out some pages that you have right here. So for example, I want to hide this uncategorized category right here. What I can do to make this possible is I just need to click on this view option right here. So this right here is what it will look like for now. So I want to hide it. What I can do instead is I can head over to that, click on this edit option right here. Then once you have done that, you can see this log for that as well as the name and all of these things that you have for this one. So once you have head over, click on this edit option right here. You can see in here the option, right? So there's actually no option to hide this. What you can do instead is you can delete this particular category. Click on this delete option right here. Click on OK. And then once you have done that, this particular category will be deleted to your actual website on your WooCommerce. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.